So I played 2 sports at Hillsdale College. It's a Division II college, and I played softball and swimming. In softball, I was an outfielder or a designated hitter, depending on the game, and then a right fielder. And then in swimming, I swam breaststroke and sprint freestyle.
I played football at Western Michigan University, and I was a tight end.
I was on the women's track and field team at Hillsdale College, and I threw the shot put, the weight throw, and the hammer throw.
I went to University of Michigan, where I was on the cheer team, the varsity cheer team at Michigan. And I had a couple different roles on the team. I was a base, where I essentially put other girls up into the air. I was also a flyer, so the guys on my team would put me into the air, and then also a tumbler. So I was the person doing all the flips on the field.
I played basketball at UCLA, and I was a shooting guard.
I played tennis for Albion College, and I played both singles and doubles.
I received numerous Distinguished Scholar Athlete Awards. And then as for the football team, in 2015, we won the Popeyes Bahamas Bowl. And in 2016, we were MAC championship winners.
So I actually played professional basketball in Finland. I played and competed on our Finland's women's national team. I played on the 15, 16, and 17-year-olds.
My softball team for 2 years in a row, my sophomore and junior year, we went into the tournament seeded 8th, so last place, and we swept the tournament and won the conference. Both years in a row, we went undefeated that conference tournament and came out first. And that was the first time in over 20 years that my school had won the conference for softball, and we did it 2 years in a row. And then in swimming, my senior year, we beat the 3-time championship for our conference meet my senior year. And it was the first time in, I think, over 30 years that my swim team had won a conference.
Personally, I was a Division II All-American in the weight throw. And that year, my team, this was in 2016, my team was the Division II NCAA Program of the Year, meaning that we placed the best at the national championships in cross country, indoor track and field, and outdoor track and field. We also won the indoor and outdoor conference championship my senior year in the Great Midwest Athletic Conference.
Our team consistently had one of the highest GPAs out of all the athletic teams at Michigan, which was really awesome. And additionally, we won our national championship 3 of the 4 years that I competed. So that was super exciting and awesome, because not only do we support other teams, we also succeeded and excelled in our own sport.
We former student athletes are in the medical field. #we out here.